Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your details on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on View option. Here, tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Click on Details option. Here, if you click on these options, a pop-up menu will appear where you can select an option according to your preference. For example, if you click on Orientation option, you can get a list of orientations to choose from. Select one and tap on OK button. You'll have to do the same with other options as well. Now, whenever someone will check your profile, they'll also be able to view all the details that you've included. So that is how you can edit your details on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.